Hello and welcome to the Retro Lab. I am back in France. My car is fixed and I'm now going to return to England. Special Stage 1 would see us driving the Route de Sospel, Col de Turini and Route de la Vésubie while on our way to our destination of La Rivière. Further than I got last time, yeah! Didn't do that a bit quite as quickly though, did I?
Drive 3.5 miles on Route de Sospel.
Right, I think this bit of the road opens up a bit, so hopefully it shall be nice and flowing like this. Equally fun. Bloody people. Twistier, bit narrower. This is definitely from the Monte Carlo Rallye, this bit. Bumpy, 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 bumpy.
Drive 2.9 miles, then turn right on Boulevard Meridian.
Right, so anyway, I should explain the situation a bit more. It's currently like 11:30 maybe, French time. In the morning that is, I have got a Eurotunnel train ticket for 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. But it seems if you turn up early, you can literally just get on the next train. So the options were boot it down the dual carriageway, or the motorway even, for like 11 hours, pay like €90 in tolls, or I could do this bit, which was to finish off the adventure basically, and then take the motorway from Barcelona, which would be 11 hours again, I think it was. Or when I get to Barcelona, we can continue on the no toll roads, which I quite like to do because it just cost me a load of money to fix this car, and it's something which I could have fixed myself for like a quarter of that price, probably even less than that. Surface quality is getting a bit worse. I feel like I've done that before. Yeah, this is the bit that I always remember from the rally, I think. The double hairpin bit, maybe. Maybe not.
The Col de Turini is one of the most well-known roads in the world due to its numerous appearances in the Rally de Monte Carlo, and is considered by many to be the greatest driving road on earth. The Col de Turini has a maximum elevation of 5,272 feet and has been featured in the Tour de France 3 times.
So people quite frequently complain that I drive too quick. On this road I haven't even approached the speed limit yet. I've still got like another 10 miles an hour to go. Well, at the moment 20 miles an hour to go. Just thinking that maybe all these skid marks on the ground are from the rally cars. Probably makes sense. Let's keep the skids going as long as they used to do. That. Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. This is more like the Col de Turini that me and Daniel drove the other week. Bumpy as f***, basically, loads of potholes. Break up. nice drive to and from your house every day. Got to be rally cars. It's just too many massive skids to be normal people driving. Okay, it's bumpy. I can't imagine doing this at like 120. Especially with stiff. That one up, didn't I? Stiff road suspension. You're not going to be wanting to go that quick down here. Well, if it wasn't my car and someone was telling me the way, maybe. My only car, maybe. Go, go, go! To the side of the road there, but keep an eye out. Caught out by that one a little bit. How many people have gone off the edge there? Quite a few, probably. one in the other day. So this stage, Route de Vésubie, we drove it before. It is very, very bendy and you can't see much, but the surface quality is infinitely better than the Col de Turini. Car is even louder than it is normally. It's because the back box has fallen off. Is some kind of cycling competition or something going on today? Donked into that. So I'm pretty sure this road is also used in the Rally Monte Carlo. See why I wouldn't be. I've got the WRC computer game, and they have nice maps of where the routes are. It does seem to repeat kind of different bits, so hopefully we are going to definitely drive the roads that get repeated a lot. one, but still bendy. And not a great surface. Better than the Col de Turini though. It's a lot more flowing. Flowing, a lot better surface than the previous stage or roads. There's Avenue Louis Taon. That might be what we're turning onto in a minute now. Nice bridge here.
Turn left on D2565.
Wondering why I have some go-kart gloves with me. That is because this steering wheel, like, the coating keeps coming off all over my hands. It's really annoying. Open the gloves, allow me to grip better and not get sticky all over. Looks like it's game over. There's about 4 cars ahead of me. There's only 3.9 miles till the end of the stage anyway.
We gave this stage a score of 69 points. The score of 69 points puts this stage to 7th place on our adventure leaderboard. And is just enough to sneak into 10th place on our overall leaderboard. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next instalment of the Retro Labs Monte Carlo Rally.